Okay, so parts laid out here for issue 36 of the Valentino Rossi bike. It's some parts for the inlet manifold, so it looks like it's not going to actually be fitted to the engine at this point, which is surprising. It's going to be going into the airbox, but yeah, inlet manifolds, all plastic parts, but nicely detailed. I think we're going to have to work out which one's which, but I'll do that when I get into the issue. But yeah, this will be the assembly for issue 36. So I've got to work out which one's left, which one's right. I don't think they're marked. Don't think they are. I've just got to kind of work out which one's left, which one's right. Looking at the picture, so I think that's C and that's D. It's very difficult to see in the picture which way around it's facing, but I'm pretty sure that's C, that's D. And it says to use C first. So you arrange kind of these parts. Take the left bracket C and support bars parts A and take them on the workshop as shown in the photograph. So we've got this one up here. I think that's which way around that goes. And this goes like that. And then C comes in here. That up to there. And I think you just kind of place them into there. I think. It's really difficult to show. Okay, so it goes that also that way round, that way round. I think that goes that. Okay, there's trying. It's very difficult to see, but there is like a key and a keyway. So you just kind of match it up, I guess, key and keyway wise. So once I've worked out which way around it kind of goes, it kind of looks like that with the key and the keyway. Yeah. Okay. And then obviously the D. Oh no. Yes. Then you get the other side part, obviously, and you match that up at the same kind of orientation. Yeah, okay, so that's what that looks like when it's completed. Yeah, you have to match the keyways and keys up. Okay. Hopefully. Now you have to find out part E, which one's part E, which one's part F. Yeah, so part E, quite difficult once again but it's got a flat, and so you have to match those flats up. So that's got the flat on that side, it's got the flat on that side, so you kind of match it with the picture. Okay. And you take your pull bar that way around. God, this is quite tough. And you just put it into these pins holes. Hasn't quite gone in very well on that side, so pull it out again. Very difficult to identify which way is which. There's a raised portion that has to be underneath. Yeah. to identify which one's which. Very, very difficult to identify which way is which, but I've done it now. That's quite tough to kind of work out which way round goes which way round. But then when you do it like that, it actually works out that you can see which way around it goes doing it that way. Then we bring over the airbox. Just looking. We've got the airbox, and then the manifold assembly is going to go into the airbox. Now you've got to make sure it goes round the right way. It will literally only go one way, I think. Okay, push those on and they've clicked in place. I believe it looks like that. And then you're going to put the top of the airbox on and secure it down using these. And that's the airbox complete. Well, you can't see it because it's all internal, but it is done.